Good morning from Winnipeg, Manitoba. It's about 6:30 a.m. Today's a big day because at 11 I have an appointment scheduled with the Harley Davidson dealership here. The dealership will hopefully be repairing some of the issues that I've been having with the bike, like losing power, my rear brake sticking, and I also brought my tire with me because I need a new front tire, and that's what they will pop on for me. My plan this morning until 8 is to just kind of take it easy, but at 8 I am bringing that bike over to the dealership so it's there and ready for when they're ready. Just in case the bike has to stay an extra night here, I have booked a second night here. Well, I am back from the dealership with some not so great news. The only work the dealership was able to do was replace my front tire and balance it, which is great and all, but that was the least of my concerns. On the plus side, it doesn't look like I need a voltage regulator, which is what I thought I needed because of my speedometer issues. They did write a note saying that my throttle cables are binding badly and I need new cables, and that might be the reason for the issue. Not really sure how, but you know, they're the expert, not me. It also looks like my rear brake is sticking because my pivot pin is seized, and it's running on the bracket alone, elongated out pinhole causing binding. Recommended replacing all pivots and linkages. The issue is the dealership does not have throttle cables. The dealership does not have pivots or linkages. So nothing got done. And that changes things for me. I had originally planned to maybe go up to Thompson, Manitoba, or to Drumheller, Alberta, and it looks like neither of those things are going to be happening. I think the furthest I'll be going is to Riding Mountain National Park, where I'll spend a couple of nights and then make my way back home. So I'm gonna try not to be bummed, but to be honest, I'm pretty bummed. At least the bill wasn't too crazy. How much did I pay here? $302. Yeah, I don't feel great, but can't do anything about it. So I'm gonna try not to stress about it and just plan for tomorrow and enjoy tomorrow.